guys, I'm here with my annoying cousins. Oh my god, I just ate her. I'm not annoying, guys! Bro, you're literally in kindergarten. Of course you're annoying.
Yeah. Am I annoying?
Are you?
I'm a cat.
No, you're not. How about you?
I
Introduce
am
yourself.
not.
This is only 60 seconds. I can't do actual videos. Or can I?
Your face is blue.
No, it's not.
Bomboklat. Yes, it is.
Oh my gosh,
Bomboklat.
they're so annoying.
Bomboklat. What
Your little sisters literally, your little sisters are literally
Bruh.
sleeping. Yeah, she's sleeping.
Ignore
Okay,
her.
bye guys.